Hey there, quick review on this Olympia Tools folding pack and roll portable cart. So it folds up into an extremely compact size. It's also got the carry handle on top, so even when it's folded up, you can carry this around like a briefcase. Deploying the tool is very simple. It has a couple latches on the sides here. So we'll simply flip those open, and that will allow the tool to release and unfold. It folds and unfolds really nicely like so. Now the bottom folds down, so to get the bottom down, simply fold that down and that stabilizes it. It's not the most heavy-duty stable thing I've ever seen, but it works pretty well overall. And then it's got a couple side latches here that you slide forward, and that locks the sides in place and keeps those from bending. The handle here, it's got a push button and it's a telescoping handle. One of the nice features is that all the way around the top of the tool, there are grab bars here where you can get your hands in if you want to lift this and carry it around. It's very easy to do so. You've got a bunch of different locations that you can grab a hold of. On the bottom of the tool, there are a couple of caster wheels that seem to work pretty well. Good quality construction, nice and solid. Nothing on the front here, just some stops so that whenever you set it down, it's not gonna roll around and move. Overall, this is a really nice tool, portable cart. It's gonna work great for a lot of different people, a lot of different applications. Smart design, and it unfolds and folds up in just a matter of seconds and stores away in an extremely compact space. So I would definitely recommend it if it's gonna meet your needs.